I reckon we start with like the packing cubes and my swimmer box, because I think this is what's stressing me out the most, just because I know I'm gonna be swimming 24/7. We'll deal with this after. I think just literally bring all my swimmers. I'll bring this one. I'm not bringing these because I won't wear them. Just these like shit quality ones. Yes. Yes. No. Okay. I'm actually impressed. Look, and I've got so many. It's such a small... Wow. Sorry guys, I've just discovered packing cubes. It's very exciting for me. What do we think? Josh got me this one for Christmas. It's really cute. So I think it's perfect for Bali, no? It's like 30 degrees and I'm boiling in this room, so I'm done. I'm gonna go get a coffee with Iz and Josh, actually.
Too big for the island. We have jets. Helicopters taking the boys' ball into the ocean.
This girl here has never watched Mr. Beast before, so we're showing her first video.
Is the 150 million.
No, you can go and hug them. What? The capybaras.
The oldest tortoise is 191 and his name is Jonathan.
Having my eyebrows back and getting an eyelash lift just made me feel like 10 out of 10, because yeah, I was feeling a bit weird before, like when my eyebrows were growing out, and now look how quick that was.
Well, there we go, Max. I hope you like it. Oh, fucking, look around the drip. It's disgusting, and it's just like you've had a little lift. Yeah. Plus, Chad has one. I will not. I'm one man. Back. Comment below. Chad, done 3 of those. There are comments on the next up, we have Admiral, but no, there was only one website that would sell it to Australia, and it's 70%.
Bye guys! Wait. I'm rushing. See you later. A whole thing. Thank you. Yeah. This whole thing. There we go. So small, and it's 40 degrees, and we want to go. It's overwhelming.
It's time to go.
It's time to go. I think our anxieties are high for some reason. So we're going to go back to our house. By our house, I mean mine.
We just moved in.
My house. Anyway, a reason to come around. And that was Angus and Julia's Stone, our house. So since we've been posting like weekly on both of our YouTube channels, which link down below, everyone's looking at us like, is that like really unethical? And they're taking photos slyly, and like we don't have our security here, so like they've had to stay up near our car so it doesn't get egged, because people are so jealous of like our Rolls Royces. Everyone is like, can we get a photo, can we get a signature, and like we just want to be left alone. Like
we're normal people too.
Not a boat, a pool.
This is okay.
Do you want to see my butterfly?
Yeah, go.
Ready, I'll do butterfly for you.
It's almost 6 a.m. It's 5:54. I'm going to the gym. I'm really fucking tired. Ugh. Too early to do the handbrake. I told my friends to sign up, so this is the class that they're going to, which is why I'm here so early, and I'm deeply regretting it.
I was just trying to make some money to feed my daughter and all the niggas in the struggle. You know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine, Salt and Pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine, hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Marley Marl. I let my tape rock till my tape pop, smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on
Look, you're having hot flashes. Which one? This one. I'ma get y'all right well. Concerned with fashion. None of you ain't Giselle. Can't walk in the back. I love that line. Some of you aren't right well. Too concerned with